Hi everybody, this is Jill for today. Thank you for coming into my kitchen. It is so nice to have you here. I had the very nice people from Intrelife contact me and asked if I might like to see a set of their electric salt and pepper shakers, do a video and a review. So that is what we're going to do today. I'm going to show them to you, let you see all the different features, and I think you'll be very pleased. I think they're great. Let's get started. So here we are. They come with a nice acrylic stand, nice heavy acrylic stand that you can leave on your counter just to set them in place. Comes with your USB cord. Of course, you'll need your adapter that goes into the wall. Gives you a nice brush. And there's where you plug in your USB cord. They take about 2 hours to charge, but they do hold the charge very nicely. It comes with a nice cap that snaps on the bottom there so your counters stay neat and tidy. And if you see there's a little locking and unlocking. You just unscrew that, pops right off, fill it with your salt or your pepper, place that lid back on, snaps right back into place, and there you have it. Now I'm going to bring this board in because I think it'll show you the best salt and pepper demonstration. On the bottom of both salt and pepper, there is a turning knob. It says coarser all the way to fine, and I will start out on the coarsest grind. Okay, here we go. I love the light. I really do. I think it's pretty cool. And here it comes down. That's coarse, very coarse. I'm going to turn it to about midway. And there is the midway coming out. Actually, I think the light is very helpful when you're cooking and maybe you can't see into a pot or on, a salad or whatever. And here comes the most finest grind. Very fine. Look how nice that is. So you have fine, kind of medium, midway, and then coarse grind. The salt grinder, I'm going to do the same way. It opens and closes, of course, the same way. Has a nice protective cap on the bottom. Now I'm going to set it at the coarsest grind. Here it comes. Nice and coarse. About midway here on this grind. Very nice. Look how nice that is. That is a nice grind. That's almost a kosher salt, maybe a little heavier than a kosher. And this is the finest grind, and it is nice and fine, almost table salt grind. So you have your finest, your midway, and your coarsest. Very nice indeed. They do a lovely job. I'm very pleased with them. I've been using them for about a week. This all is stainless steel. This is not plastic. And they're very hefty. Top is stainless steel all the way. Of course, there's a nice heavy acrylic plastic holder area for your pepper grind and your salt. I'm going to put them back on that acrylic stand. Those go next to my stove. And these are the wonderful people from Intrelife. I really do think this is a nice salt and pepper shaker. I'm very happy they sent it to me, and I can recommend this set. I will leave a link for you in my Amazon store, and you can go and check those out. Thank you so much for watching.